Welcome you all of you. Myself Deep Patel. I am Senior Application Engineer in SOPAN Infotech. Okay, so today's our webinar is completely on what is cabinet vision. As you can see, okay, complete solution for modular furniture. Many of you know about the cabinet vision. Maybe some of you not identify that software. Okay. So in this session, I will show you a brief introduction of cabinet vision. Okay. After that, if you have any query, and then we have a Q&A session in last. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. So first we quickly go through the agenda. Okay. So we will see the introduction of the SOPAN. Then after that, we will see the what is the cabinet vision, what are the traditional methods currently everybody is using in industries. After that, we will see that from design to production, how cabinet vision help us. And after that, if any one of you have any queries regarding the software or regarding the industry, you can ask me and we will later on solve it. Okay. So first of all, as I say that we will show the introduction of SOPAN group. So basically SOPAN is a group. In SOPAN, we have three different branches, SOPAN Institute, SOPAN Infotech, and SOPAN Machineries and Tools. Okay. So SOPAN group was found in 2010 by Mr. Mahek Mistry, who was the owner of SOPAN Infotech, SOPAN group. Okay. Our first organization was the SOPAN Institute. After that, we established SOPAN Infotech in 2012. And recently in 2024, we have started SOPAN Machineries and Tools. I will just give you the brief introduction of each and every branches of our SOPAN group. Okay. So in SOPAN Infotech, we are channel partners of two major OEMs, Dassault System and Hexagon. So first we will just go through the Dassault System. In Dassault System, if you are asking for the reference that what is the Dassault System, that if you all know about the Rafale plane, the same Rafale plane was designed by Dassault System, and the same software SolidWorks was also designed by the Dassault System. Okay. In Dassault System, we have three different type of products. Dropside is for the 2D CAD solution. SolidWorks is for 3D CAD solution, also for the simulation works, and the 3D experience work, which was majorly used in PDM and PLM works. Okay. Other than that, we have some more products of SolidWorks, just like SolidWorks 3D CAD, SolidWorks simulation, PDM, visualization, inspection, MBD, and Composer. These are the different products targeting the different vertices of the industries. Okay. So according to your industries, you can choose one of them and you can start working on it. Also, this will help to reduce your workload. Okay. Next, as I say that we are also channel part of the Hexagon. In Hexagon, we have three major products: Cabinet Vision, VISI, and ESPRITCAM. ESPRITCAM is basically main for the CNC and CNC work. Then we have VISI, which is majorly working on die and mold industries, and Cabinet Vision, which is our main topic for this session, was widely using for cabinet work. Okay. Also, other than that, SOPAN Machineries and Tool, we are the official channel partner of T. Sugami, in which we have a CNC lathe, CNC turning, milling, and all of the CNC machining which are provided by the T. Sugami. We are the channel partner in Gujarat. Okay. Also, we are the channel partner of Walter Tools. You can see if you are knowing about the CNC machines, that you will definitely know about the tools. Okay. So we are the channel partner of Walter also. Other than that, we have some other products just like cutting oil, then skimmers, cleaning kits, and also we have recently launched our SOPAN AMC plan. Okay, so in this we have created one type of UCS in our website. So if you need any kind of machining work or you need any machine maintenance, machine service or designing work, you can just go through our website. In this website, we have design, just like you can see on the screen. Just you have to just apply your quantity, okay, and you will get the subtotal code on our website. You don't have to ask us that what is the quantity and what is the rate of your cycle time report, part programming. You can just directly check in by our website, okay. Other than that, we are also providing the engineering services. Okay, design CAD, analysis, CAD-CAMCAE, 3D printing, also product presentation work. Okay, so if you are not able, if you are not working on a large scale and you just need a service-based work, just like if you need an CAD design, or you need a FEA analysis or simulation work, or you need a CNC programming, part programming, then you can just go through our website, or you can contact us. We can help you. Okay. These are our presence in Gujarat. Our head office is in Surat. Also, we are in Navsari, Baroda, Ahmedabad, and Rajkot. These are the major main cities which are we are covering our SOPAN Institute. Okay. So now we are going on our main topic, that cabinet vision. So if you know that cabinet vision is product from the Hexagon, also the product is basically mainly focused on only panel work. If you are doing solid wood work, then it will not help you. Okay, just I am clearing the doubts. Many of you having that this product will work on solid wood or only on panel work. Okay, so cabinet vision will work on only panels. If you need any kind of work of panel, then you can do it in cabinet vision. Okay, so what cabinet vision is offering to us? So as you can see on the slide, the right balance of powerful features and ease of use. Okay, if you are creating closets, kitchen unit, living rooms, also if you are doing residential projects or commercial projects, you can do everything in our cabinet vision. Okay, mainly the cabinet vision product is not only focused on design. We have complete solution of design to production. It means if you are designing, then you can render the photos just like you can see on the screen. You can render it, you can create reports. Okay, after that you can create optimization, and also you can get CNC output of the panel work. Okay, so these are the market panel processing. If you are working in a residential or commercial projects, you can get in our cabinet vision. So just we will go through the traditional method, what our industries are using currently. First, what we are using, that if you are currently working on that industry, you know that we have to, if customer comes, then we have to design it. After that, we have to render to show that after completing your kitchen process, the final output will be like this. Okay. After that, you will create bidding. Just like if you are asking me that what is bidding, that bidding is just quotation for yours. Okay. After that, you will create the report, that what are the ply you will use, what are the material you will using, hardware, just like laminate or everything, what are you using, it will covers in report. After that, we have to create drawings. Okay, so we can get the workers and they will check what are the measurements and what we have to do on the actual site position. After that, you will optimize that products, panel products. Okay, and you will go to the production. So basically, what are the industry currently doing? They are using some other software for designing, some other for rendering. Then they will use Excel, or they will create manually report or biddings. After that, they will again use some other 2D CADs for the drawings. Okay. After that, they will use other software for optimization also. Okay, because in the same software in which we are doing designing or rendering, we can't get the optimization or we can't get the CNC codes. Okay. So currently they will use multiple products for the same single output. Just like if we take a reference that I have to create a kitchen, then I have to design it in some 2D CAD software. Then I will took it in another software. I will render it. I will show to the customer. Customer will say that I don't need this color. I don't want this table. Then I have to redesign. Okay. Then again rendering. Okay. After that, if customer agrees, then we will have to create a report manually in Excel. After that, I will create again in 2D. That customer finals the product, and I will have to create the 2D drawings. After that, if they will create some other optimization products. Okay, some machines, some machine companies are providing the optimization processes, or sorry, processors in that machine inbuilt. Okay, and after that you will get the output. But in cabinet vision, you don't have to do this. In single software, you can do design, you can do rendering, you can do report, drawings, optimization, and after that you will get the outputs. Okay. So first we will go through the briefly on the slides, and after that I will show you the live demonstration, how all these things works, just like design, rendering, reports, drawing. Okay. So first topic was the design. If any one of you is from the design field, you know that if I have to create a design, then I have to create some random works, just like I have to go to the site, I have to take the measurement. Okay. And after that I have to just create 2D diagram of the entire project, whether it's the kitchen, whether it's the fully entire home or as the office. Okay. I have to create entire project in 2D. After that, I have to create, if I will show to the customer that this is your 2D plan, customer will say me that this will also provided by the builders or any one of them. Okay. So what we have to do, if I have created 2D drawing, then I have to do it in 3D also. I have to create 3D product also, because customer just don't get the idea that what are 2D drawings. So will say, we are from the industry, so we know that 2D in 2D drawing what we have mentioned, and the carpenter on the sides will also know that what are the things mentioned in 2D drawings. Okay. So in cabinet vision, you don't have to create entire projects just like traditional methods. What are the traditional methods? If we just take the reference from AutoCAD, we have to create a line, single line from the wall. After that, we have to create a single cabinet, then tables, and what are the things we need in our projects. We have to create each and everything by hand. Okay. In cabinet vision, you can just drag and drop your need. Okay. If you need a cabinet, you can just drag and drop from our library. If you need a chimney, if you need a gas stove, okay, whatever the products you need, you just have to drag and drop. Okay, we have a basic library of cabinet, closets, and upper cabinets. We have basic library. Other than that, if you need, just like I need some random customized cabinet for the, okay, for some projects, then I can create the entire project and I can save the single cabinet in my library. So if in future I need one, I can just drag and drop in the from the library to my design. Okay. Next step is rendering. As I say, if I have created in 2D, then I have to create the 3D for the rendering work, because customer needs the final output which will they need it. So they can idealize their knowledge that which color will suit or which type of design they require. Okay. So in cabinet vision software, you don't need to create 3D model by self, or you just or as I say that you don't need to use another software. You can just drag and drop our library from our library and cabinet or anything, and our software will create automatically the 3D part. Whether is the cabinet or closet or upper cabinet, what is the product you have drag and drop from the library. So cabinet vision will automatically generate the 3D part. Also, you can generate the rendered product. Okay. So if customer requires the final render photo, that what the kitchen looks like or what the office looks like after the final work, then you can show it from the rendering in your software. Then we have a bidding module. Okay. So what is the bidding module? if your customer will come to your office, okay, so traditionally we just have to remember everything, just like material prices, rate table, and what are the labor prices. We have to remember everything. Okay. And in that case, we can't properly quote what the customer will have to pay in our projects. So in bidding module, there are some options. That's like you can set your material price. You can also set the discounts. You can also set the rate table, labor charges. You can set in our cabinet vision. So whenever the customer or anyone will come to your office, okay, and you will just finalize their design. After that, you have a complete quotation type report, that what are the products you are giving to him and what are the costing will give you are giving to him. Okay, so you have a basic idea of the costing, so you can negotiate better with the customer. So then next we have a report module. So basically, bidding is for the customer and report is for the our use. Just like if I am creating the kitchen or I am creating the office work, okay, entire office project, then I need a entire list, that how many plies, how many cabinets hinge, then what are the drawer box and what are the glasses, what are the panels, okay, how many of it I needed. Everything you can just you have to mention in report, so you can get a better understanding for your material requirement. Okay, so in cabinet vision, you don't have to create separate material summary, just like cut list or door list. You don't have to create it separately. You will create this design, and our software intelligence will portray the report of what you have mentioned in design. Okay, I will show you in practical demonstration so you can get a better idea of it. Okay, then next we have drawings. As I mentioned that if you have to create a drawings, then we have to first finalize the 3D model. After that, I will give it to my designer and uh, he will draw the drawings just like I have shown in the images. Okay. But in cabinet vision, you don't have to create by manually. We have a software intelligence. You have to just select elevation, assembly, and part sheet drawings, and you have to by a single click. Okay, just by single click, all of the drawings are created by the software. If you can see that in bottom, okay, I have planned the 3D model. Then I have a top view of the model. Then I have an elevation view. Then I have a assembly sheet. You can get everything by just single click. After that, we have to optimize the product. I have the design is final. Okay, the quotation was the final. Now I have to take the cutout from the machine. Then what are the traditional methods? What are the peoples are doing currently in industry? They will just cut out manually or by panel stock, or what will they? What will they will just just use the CNC machine software. Okay, they will manually input this like I need a 4x8 panel stock. Okay, and what are the panels? What are the sizing? Just like 300 by 200 mm, I need a cutout. Okay, I need a 200 by 200 cutout, and they will do like this. But in cabinet vision, by single click, you can nest all the seats, how many materials you have used. Okay, if you are using 2 or 3 or 4 different types of material in your projects, then software will automatically optimize each and every material and give you the final nesting output or final CNC output. After getting the CNC output, you just need to put the your CNC or machine will generate the NC code. You just need to put your NC code into CNC machine, and machine will cut out your entire project. You don't need to do it manually. Just like put your what are the sheets you are using, or what are the thickness, or what are the size of the any panel stock or any plies. Okay, our cabinet vision software will automatically create the entire NC code for you. Okay, so for that I will show you the wait a minute, I will just share my screen. Okay. Okay, hope it's visible. Okay, so now we are in the cabinet vision. Okay, this is the basic window. Okay, main window of the cabinet vision. Just like any other softwares we have, just like Word, just like any CAD designing software or any machining output software. This is the basic or main window of the cabinet vision. Here we have the here we have a new job, open job, job recovery. Then we have some kind of catalogs, construction methods. Then we have open. Okay, so these are the options, and you can also access from here. Also, we have recent job list, recent places. You can see it, and you can just identify this. These are the this window is the similar from your other softwares. If you are using any of the software, you will just get idea. Okay, so basically cabinet vision is working on a design and a panel stock basis. Okay, so what is it? I will show you. You have to just create a new job. By clicking new job, the we just say project, and software will say new job. If we are starting our new job, then you have to write it down your some information, just like what is the job name. Okay, so just like I am showing you that SOPAN test model. Okay, you can mention PO number, you can mention description. Also, you can customer name, address, city, contact mail. Okay, you can add everything. Then if in room section, we have to select just like how many rooms you are using. Just if you are creating office, then or if you are using a residential project, okay, then you have to mention that how many rooms you have to done. Then you can just select the room type, and you can mention the name. Also, you can mention the description. Also, the cabinet construction method. Cabinet vision is basically working on a construction method. If you need, I will just brief you. The construction method is how the panels will join to the each other. Just like if I have to place a top panel, okay, then how it will connect to the back panel, how it will connect to the side panel. Many of you using that top panel will be in between the side panel, or some of you using that top panel are full. Okay, side panel are below the top panel by connecting the minifix or by dados or by peanuts. Okay, these are the different types of connection method you use in your construction method. So cabinet vision is currently working on a construction method. You just have to define your construction method. You can create your construction method. You can create different types of construction method for your different projects. Okay, you have to select the cabinet construction method, then drawer box construction method, then your rollouts. Then you have to select the materials, that what are the materials you use in your projects. Just like upper cabinets will be from other material, then base cabinet, then drawer boxes. Okay, what are the customer requirements? You can just select your material, whatever the customer has selected. Yeah, also after that you can select the hardware, just what pull schedule means handle, what type of handle you needed. Then drawer guide schedule. These are the drawer guides library, just like Blow, Hattage, Heffley. These are the different companies. Also that they have different types of products, just like Legra box, tandem, ball bearing, telescopic. Okay, different type of drawer guides are there. Then there is a hinge schedule. It means what type of hinge you are using, what type of the, just like a euro, what is the degree angle. Also, you can use the different type of companies, just like Apple, Heffley, Hattage. Also, if you are using some of local products, then you can also add it in this cabinet vision. So for every project you can use it. Okay, you can also change the material of the door also. If you don't need the cabinet and door from the same material, if you require other material, then you can select it from the here. Okay, by clicking just OK, software will let you in the design module. Okay, this is our basic design workspace. Okay, as I mentioned you, if you remember, that traditional method is we have to create plan, then we have to create elevation, then after that we have to create 3D, then reports, drawing, and after machining. Okay, so these are the different modules, okay, which differently mentioned in our software. Okay, so if you have to design anything in cabinet vision, if you can see here that no other options are available here, just like object, floor, ceiling, not single options are there. Okay, enable here. If I have to design anything, I have just to create a wall, whatever the size or whatever the thickness you needed, you can mention it in our design. Okay, if just as I need a 5000 wall. Okay, if you are working in inches, you can just by clicking simple button, you can convert that to inches. Okay, let me show you that here the dimension are in inches. I will click the and it will convert in Okay, so you can work it like this. After that, you can see that I have created object, sorry, wall, and here all the options are unable for me. Just I need object, floor, ceilings, countertop, molding. Okay, whatever I needed, I can access to it. Okay, so now I will show you that how plan, elevation, and 3D works. Okay, you can see that I have just created a single line. Okay, from plan view, you can see it in 2D, but I need to see the 3D. Okay, so I will just split my screen. Okay, I will create here elevation and here in 3D. Okay, you can see that this is the plan view, this is the elevation view, and this is the 3D view. You don't have to create the plan view. After that, you have to elevation and after that 3D. If you are creating 2D plan view, okay, the software will automatically create the elevation view. Also, software will create the 3D view. Okay, just you can see. I will go to the normal window. Okay, now I will place an object. Okay, so here is the material library. Okay, wardrobe catalog, then custom cabinets, means base cabinet, wall cabinet, tall cabinet, vanity cabinets, whatever you want. Okay, or if you need anything from other than anything, okay, sorry, other from this, you can just create in cabinet vision and you can add in this library. Okay, after that we have some library of appliances, just like washer, a dishwasher, okay, cooktops, small appliances, whatever you needed in cabinet vision, we have a library. Okay, also you can add the appliances also. If you have a 3D SketchUp model, you can add it in our cabinet vision. Okay, then we have some furnishing models, just like if I need different types of door, different types of window, different types of kitchen appliances, baths, toilets. Okay, you can use it from here. Now I will show you that if I need just base cabinets. Okay, 4 to 5 base cabinets and 4 to 5 wall cabinets. What I have to do? Just base cabinet. Okay, I have a library, base cabinet, 45 base corner, 90 angle base corner, drawer stack. Okay, different types of cabinets are here, which are the standard companies are using. Okay, I will show. I have split my window, so you can get better idea that you don't need to create an elevation or 3D view separately. Okay, so here I need a standard base. So if you are clicking the product, here a small 3D window will open. So you can just identify that this is the same product you needed, or you needed another one. Okay, just like I need a standard base. What I will do, I just drag and drop in here. Okay, so you can do you can see it here. Wait a minute. Okay, so you can see it that I have just drag and drop from the library. This is the plan view, this is the elevation, and this is the 3D view. I don't need to create the 3D model. Software will automatically create, and whatever the products we will design in cabinet vision and whatever the product you will save into the library, they will also they are also will saved in 3D models. Okay, also you can see that I have didn't mention any dimension, but software have automatically Software have automatically mentioned all the dimensions, just like the 5000 wall, what is the cabinet width, what are the distance from the left, okay, what is the height of cabinet. You can also see in your plan. Okay. Also, the software intelligence works here. Okay. If I need a cabinet, if I need a cabinet from the starting of the wall, what I will do? Just drag. Okay. And I will place it here. Software will automatically recognize the placing of the object and it will place at starting of the wall, just like here. You can see. Okay. In 3D model. Okay, now if I need another cabinet, just close to this cabinet, what I will do here, I will just overlap my placing, and software will automatically place it. Okay, just like it. I don't need to match the center point, or I don't need to match the lines for the complete placing. You can see it here. I am just overlapping the cabinet and software automatically place it in the space. Okay. Also, you can change your width, height, and depth of the cabinet by here, by single click of the cabinet. Just I need to change the width of this cabinet. Okay, you can see it here in 600. I need it 800. Okay, so here I will just type 800 and enter. Okay, you can see the cabinet is converted into 800. Okay, so by just simply applying your dimension, software will show you. Software will convert your single cabinet to double door cabinet, or what are the changes you require, just like width, length, height, or positioning. Okay, you can see. If I don't need this cabinet, just see. Okay, you can see the clearance from the left side is 0. I need that if this from this cabinet to this cabinet, I need a 100 mm gap. Then what I will do, I will just type 100 mm. Okay, and the cabinet is automatically change its place. Okay, you can see it here. We have a gap of 100 mm. Okay, now we will go to the customization part. Okay, what is the customization you can do? Okay, just I will open it by just simply double click on the cabinet. Okay, you will go to in the cabinet mode. If you require 2 doors, if you require shutter doors, okay, you require drawer, whatever the requirement you have, you can change it in cabinet. Okay, you can change it in cabinet, or this is the assembly. Okay, so you can see here that we have 2 different types of modes: section face and section interior. Whatever you have to change in outside, you can do it from section face. Just like I don't need these doors, I will just simply click and delete. Okay, you can also you can delete it. Now the doors are not here because I have deleted. Also, what I can do, I can't delete the inner section, just like this shelf. Okay, it will not allow me to change anything from inside. So what I have to do, I have to just go to section interior. I don't need this shelf, I will delete it. Okay, just like if I need a 3 horizontal shelf, what I will do, I will select the horizontal multi-split. I will just click on this empty area where I need it. Okay, software will ask me multiple case opening. What are the openings separator? Okay, means what are the objects you need? Just shelf, adjustable shelf, fixed shelf, or rollouts. Okay, just I have selected shelf. So you can see 2 shelves are added here. If I will select here, you can see the shelf is here. Okay, 3 equal spaces are created by the software. Okay, you can also change it. Okay, if I don't need equal, then you can change your heights. Just like I need this section from 250 mm. Okay, though, so other than this space, the 2 are matching the total dimension of this cabinet. Okay. 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 Also, if you have created a cell and you need to change it to the adjustable cell, then you can do it adjustable cell. Also, you can create glass cell, fixed cell, or else if I don't need a cell, I will do it the rollout cell. Okay. So you can see software automatically added the channels here. Okay. Also, you can create the rollout tray. Just like here, I have just selected. Okay, wait a minute. I will show you what is the rollout tray. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. Now I need a door. Then I will go to the section face. Whatever the door. Okay, I just need a single door. I need a pair door. If I need a slide door. Okay. Wait a minute. I will open the split window so you have a better idea in 3D. Okay, so this is the sliding door, but I don't need a sliding door. I need a drawers. Then I can create a single. I have not mentioned the partition, so software automatically created the entire cabinet into single drawer. Okay. Then if I need a false front, I don't need any door. I just need a false front. Then you can also create it. Okay. Or if you need an open space, you don't have to create a door or drawer. Okay, then you can just select the open, and you can see it here. In 3D model, there is an open space. Or else if you need a panel, then you can also select panel, and the panel will apply here. Okay. Okay, so just let me change the pair door. Okay. So first, okay. If you need, now you have a question that this handle is from the right side and the hinges are in the left side. I need to change the positioning. Then I can just simply change the position by changing the hinge position. If I need it right, the handle will apply in the left and the hinge will go to the right. Okay. If I need it in top, then the hinge will go to the top. You can see it here. Okay, and handle will in bottom. Okay, I will just put it back in left. Okay, I need a pair door. I have created pair door. Okay, still if I need a drawer section here, then what I will do, I will just change the positioning. Okay, this, and I have created the drawer. Okay, if you can see it in the 3D model, here in bottom there are two doors, pair door, and here it is drawer. Okay, I will open it for better representation. So you can also check it by opening and closing it. Okay, I have opened it. So you can check it in 3D. The drawer is open. If you have to show to the customer that how the cabinet will looks like. Okay, so you can check it here. Now we will go to the Now I have to create the elevation. If you have to see the elevation, this is their elevation view. Okay. Let me just delete this cabinet. Okay. I need any appliances, just like fridge or anything. Then I need appliances. I will go to the fridge section, whatever the sizes you needed. You can just drag and drop it here, just like cabinet. Okay. Now if I need a oven, then I need a single oven. I can, okay, so I I can also mention the oven. Okay. But this will not show you in report that how many ovens or how many fridge or how many other just like appliances you have used in your software. Okay, your in your kitchen. This is for just reference or rendering image for the customer. So customer gets the better idea. Okay. Now if I just delete this fridge and this oven. Okay. Now you can see the entire project in 3D also. Okay. As I have mentioned you that if I need to change the door, then I can change this entire project's door by separate. Okay. So I can just cabinet. I will go to the door and I will choose another material, whatever I needs. Okay. So you can also you have a preview mode here. So you can check your material. Okay, and in the dark gray Chicago. Okay, okay, and the software will automatically update the entire project. So you can see it here that the first we have a same material from the cabinet, and now the entire project's doors are changed. Okay, just like door also. Now we will go for the report module. Okay, as I mentioned you, what is the report? So here we have a inbuilt report. Okay, so you have here I have created the reports. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the report. Okay, cut list report. That what is the cabinet size, what is the material you have used, what is the how many adjustable shelf, deck, whatever you have created in your 2D or 3D design, the software will automatically mention it in report. Okay, if you need a hardware list, then you can just single click on hardware and each and every hardware you have used in your project. Okay, it will show it here. Okay, now I need a drawings. Then you can create it by manually, just like any other software, AutoCAD or any other software. You can create it by manually. Also, here I will go to the report center. Oh, sorry. I will go to the plan and I need a plan and elevation sheet. Okay, I will select plan view, select all, and I will go to the drawing. Okay, here software will ask me the whatever the paper size and whatever the orientation you needed. I have just selected A4. Then I need a A4 assembly report. Okay, assembly drawing. That what are the base cabinet I have used and what are the assemblies. Just like I have used the drawer, pair door, single door, adjustable shelf, whatever I have used in the cabinet, I can see it here, and I will go to the same process, just like selecting paper and okay. Okay. Now I will go to the drawing and you can see the entire drawing is created by the software. I have do nothing. Okay. I don't have to do anything for the design. Okay. You can just go over here. This is the plan view. This is the elevation view. You can see the assembly. Okay. Here I have created this setup. So particular this assembly, for this particular assembly, whatever the door material, what is the size, what is the panel stock size, okay, what are the hardwares, whatever the module or whatever the setup you have created, software will automatically show you it here. Okay, you can also create your customized template in Cabinet Vision also, or if you have already created in other software, then you can import it by DXF file. Okay. Now as you can see that I have created plan, elevation, the final 3D is okay. Okay. The report is okay. The drawing is okay. Now I need a report. Now I need a NC code for the machining purpose. Then I will go to the STM center. Okay. Then software will just creating the part list, okay, and also is optimizing the our entire project. So it will take a few seconds, and then we are directed to the STM center. Here you can see if I can set the optimizer parameter, okay. Also I can add off cuts, then optimize. Also here in cabinet vision we have a unique feature that you can filter parts, that whatever the parts I need to do machinings. If I have created two rooms differently, but I just need a single cabinet for the machine output, then I can filter it out from here. Okay, just like here, I have selected this single cabinet. Okay, you can see the single cabinet is filtered here. Okay, I need all of this. Okay, I have created it. Now the machine post processor is mandatory in this section. Whatever the machine you have, just like whatever the company, Homemade, Nansing, or what are the different type of machines you are having, just panel saw, beam saw, drilling machine, whatever the machines you have, you just have to ask us. Okay, we will share you the post processor for the machines. Just like I need a panel show. Okay, I have a panel show and I will go to the optimize. By clicking optimize, software will create the entire project in nesting module. Okay, software will show us that which panel cuts here in single piece. Okay, what are the panel list, how many panels will use in this entire projects. Okay, software will show us. Also you can generate the NC code from the nesting. I will just show you. Software is taking his time. Okay, I have created, and okay, then you can see it here. I have used the 3 different types of material here. So software showing me each and every part differently. Just like this is MDF painted. Okay, these are the different materials which I have used in this entire project. Also software can give you the what are the seat numbers you needed, what are the panel stock numbers you needed. Okay, you can go over it and you can check it. Each and every operations mentions here. Okay, just like boring, hinge operations. Okay, whatever the operations you needed, everything is mentioned here. Now I need a NC code. By just simply clicking on NC code and label, you have to mention the output path. Okay, and you have to run it. Okay, wait a minute. The cabinet output is okay. So software is generating the NC codes. You can see it here, which panel is in process. Okay, you can also check it here that out of 7, 5 panels are already generated. Okay, you can print it out or you can check it. Okay. Wait a minute, I will just create a output folder for it. Okay, so on the desktop I have created the new folder for the output, so you can get a better idea. From NC code I will just mention my path, desktop. Wait a minute. Okay, so here, okay, and run. Software will generate the NC code. Okay, close it. Okay, and now I will show the output. So you have these outputs. Okay. Okay. So these are the output that machine needs. Okay, G code, N code, whatever the operations are mentioned in the panel, this is the output. Okay. So this is the cabinet vision. Okay. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay. Hello. I think you don't have any questions, so we can just end our session here.